What's up guys, Goji fan here, and today this is gonna be a different unboxing since Toro is here, and I got another Avatar figure to unbox, and I finally got another Land Apex Predator of Pandora, and it's a bunch of freebies, but so yeah, we're gonna unbox that, and I don't have my box cutter again, so sorry. Let me move the Toro away. And I was in a bit of a hurry today. Let's see, this is the proper way to unbox it. Let's see, where should I? What's the opening seal of this? Oh yeah, it's in the bottom. Why is this package so very... Alright. Oh shit. Sorry for the angle of it, because I was gonna be in a hurry today. Where's the sealed? Oh, there it is. Found it. There we go. That's the proper way to unbox it. Silly me. But there we go. Wait just a minute. Sorry about that. Let's go back to the packaging for this. And it's packed really well. Oh shoot. Alright, sorry for that. Let's see, just cut it through here. It's so hard to without my box cutter. I need to remove all this. Oh, yes. And it looks a bit... Alright, we have some two Avatar figures. So here we have Neytiri and Colonel Quirrich, who is known as Stephen Lang from the horror movie Don't Breathe. Joking. He's also from the Avatar movie. Very nice. And they're very dirty, some spot. It really scales well with the Anopteryx here. But not the main figure itself is this guy. Yeah. This is the Thanator, or in Navi, Pelucan. Wow. But I need some cleaning on him. You see, this is the only figure that has an articulated jaw. And they don't come up really wide. But I need some cleaning to do with him. And look at that! The two Apex Predators of Pandora. So yeah, that's the unboxing of Thanator or Pelucan. So I need some of these more Avatar figures because I'm a big fan of it. Yeah. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Thanator. So hope you like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.